The Quickmaster DI employs a true offset digital printing process that provides very high quality at exceptionally high production speeds. Part of this process includes the imaging of plates directly on the press. After a job has been prepared at our RIP workstation, the press operator selects the job and initiates the make ready. When printing with a Quickmaster DI, this entire process is done automatically. Even the blanket wash-up of the previous job is part of this automatic process. Calvin initiated this process as soon as our first job was completed. Now, once the plates have been automatically advanced in all 4 units, they're imaged in precise register. After imaging is complete, a cleaning process is performed. The basis of Heidelberg Direct Imaging is state-of-the-art laser technology. An array of 16 light-emitting diodes in each printing unit generate pulses of light, which are passed through a fiber optic cable to a set of lenses, where the light is focused into high-intensity beams. Now, this energy is applied to remove ink-repelling silicone and create very precise, sharp ink wells in the 3-layered plate. In this way, ink is accepted in the image portion of the plate and repelled everywhere else where the silicone remains. This special plate that we use with the Quickmaster DI is also the technology that allows this press to operate without a dampening system. This dry offset approach to printing yields full-bodied images while simplifying the overall printing process. 2 resolutions are available for printing or imaging our plates, 1270 DPI and 2540 DPI. The lower resolution, or 1270 DPI, is the most commonly used and is more than adequate for producing 150 line screens at traditional offset quality. The higher resolution, or 2540, is generally reserved for extremely demanding jobs. Now, while the plates are being imaged, there are other useful things the press operator can be doing. For example, the flexibility of the Quickmaster DI allows the press operator to pre-stack paper for the next job, even if it's a different sheet size. With central sheet size adjustments for the lateral pile guides in the delivery and the feeder, this is a simple task to perform. At the same time, adjustments for the stock thickness can be made from a single control panel. Great deal of make-ready time is saved because no register adjustments are needed because all the plates are imaged in precise register. Time is also saved because the dry offset approach to printing does away with the need to maintain ink and water balance. As a result, fewer startup sheets are necessary. Once started, the Quickmaster DI prints high-quality offset printing at a top speed of 10,000 sheets per hour. With this speed and this productivity, this press outperforms any other digital printing offset machine on today's market. All of the Quickmaster DI's functions are controlled and monitored by Heidelberg's CP-tronic digital press control system, which has proven itself in practice thousands of times over. As a matter of fact, this is a feature that you can find on most of the other presses that you see in the Heidelberg Hall. The central control console has a well-organized keypad and a display that continually informs the operator of run length and press speed. The entire make-ready and any subsequent changes in ink, if necessary, are done right from this console. Print quality with the Quickmaster DI is also achieved by utilizing known and proven dry offset inks on a wide variety of stocks. The quality is excellent, as you will see. It's ink on paper. Now, the appearance and gloss of true lithographic ink that penetrates into the fiber of paper far exceeds any toner-based system which simply deposits toner particles on the surface of paper. Not to mention its other advantages, like its resistance to abrasion or fading. Dry offset printing with the Quickmaster DI also allows you to achieve high color density and therefore intense high contrast colors. Each inking system has 12 rollers, including 3 form rollers. This combination allows for the ability to respond quickly while producing rich, uniform inking of solid areas, both of which are necessary when printing short-run color. To ensure the Quickmaster DI constantly maintains a high quality of printing, while fully realizing its high productivity, each unit is fitted with an ink temperature control system as a standard feature. This guarantees constant printing conditions from the first sheet of the day to the last sheet of the day. Of interest to the technical people and the press specialists in the audience is the common impression cylinder design principle behind the Quickmaster DI. The quadruple diameter impression cylinder permits 4-color printing with a single gripper application. Each sheet is picked up only once, is printed, and then delivered without ever being transferred to another gripper system. This serves to further reduce mechanical stresses to the sheet, which are in any case minimal at this sheet size. In addition, color-to-color register is ensured. The large diameter of the impression cylinder, namely 720 millimeters, adds another feature. Due to the moderate wrap angle, board can be produced or printed with excellent results, and without the need for any special guide elements in the delivery. The marking of sheets is virtually ruled out, and the operator saves time because he doesn't have to make any adjustments or settings. What we have here is ideal sheet control. Now, the Quickmaster DI is a sheet-fed offset press that lives up to the reputation of the world's largest manufacturer of printing presses, Heidelberg. For example, the robust monolithic side panels are constructed of cast steel, 30 millimeters thick, additionally reinforced by crossbars. This makes them extremely resistant to deformation. Together with a drivetrain running helical gears, plate and blanket cylinders running bearer to bearer, the Quickmaster DI's solid design has what it takes for producing precise halftone dots, long equipment life, and of course, high productivity. As a service provider in the market for short-run color, you must be flexible. Quickmaster DI offers this flexibility, especially when choosing stocks and sheet sizes. This press can print on anything, from a light 60-gram art paper all the way up to a Chromolux board, 0.3 of a millimeter thick. With regard to sheet size, it can print on anything from a postcard all the way up to an A3 poster. The largest printable sheet is 460 millimeters by 340 millimeters. The smallest sheet size is 89 millimeters by 140 millimeters. The feeder and the delivery, of course, can be easily changed to accommodate different sheet sizes. Let's go back to our live job now. The imaging process is concluded, and the press then proceeded to clean all 4 plates simultaneously. This cleaning process ensures that the silicone is removed from the image area of the plate, so production can begin right away. To get jobs up to color almost immediately, bitmap data is used to calculate the job-specific ink profiles for all 4 colors. These profiles are then moved over to the press and used to preset the CPC ink fountains. The first few sheets off the press are virtually sellable and are close to achieving reference density values. Minimal corrections are needed before starting the actual production run. Any desired adjustments are done straight from this console. With the combination of direct printing of PostScript documents with incredibly short make-ready times and high production speeds, the Quickmaster DI opens previously unknown dimensions in productivity. Now, if you'll take a look at our stopwatch, you'll notice that Calvin turned it off at about 12 minutes and 30 seconds. This indicated that he was getting sheets off the press. With the Quickmaster DI, short runs and high productivity no longer an elusive goal. Nor must you sacrifice anything in the way of quality, as you'll see when you get a sheet. It's very close or equal to conventional offset quality. I would now like to ask you to remain seated just a minute longer. We want everybody to get a sheet. My colleagues will be up.